Hey sugars, I have just finished washing, conditioning, and putting my leave-in in my hair. Now I'm going to show you how I do my flat twists so I can have my flat twist out in Africa. Yes, yes, yes. So, let's go.
I just wanna make music my girl know the words to. Make the music we can change the world to. I wanna make music your girl know the words to. The music you can change the world to. I just wanna make the music my girl know the words to. Make the music we can change the world to. I wanna make the music your girl know the words to. This is for you. I just wanna make the music my girl know the words to. Make the music we can change the world to. Forever in the game, life is never a scrimmage. Let me collect myself, it might take just a minute, cause days be like a jail and I hate when I'm in it. Nobody understands who I am. Life is like a job, when you die when you're unemployed. Your work's finished, forever is how I'm grinding hard. Forever's how I wanna go, even though I know the times is hard. Forever I'm gonna flow, never wanna sink when the waves get too rough to handle it. I want a Grammy and an Oscar to decorate my mantelware. Her goals and hard, ain't nothing lazy about me. Don't need a parade when I see her. This one a girl that's crazy about me. Want her to lose her breath when she think of days without me. The same pages Ruby D and Nazi Day about me. Look in the mags, it's such a rave about me. The praise about me. Everybody want to get attention, but when you slip and really your name is mentioned and things fall over the wayside, life is never saved by the bell like me at Bayside. I hate I've gotten harder over the years. I lost family and distant from some of my peers, cause the work I wanna follow in self-medicated, and I ain't about the pill swallowing. I'm about writing the beats, therapy to settle the beast, to make them calm again. I don't want much, just want everything, feel I deserve it. Even with imperfections, my verses is perfect, and I feel you're perfect. We the perfect match, like Premiere with the perfect scratch. My purpose max when I found you, when I'm around you. It's like music to my ears in the world is soundproof. You. I wanna make music my girl know the words too. We can change the world too. I wanna make music your girl know the words too. We can change the world too. So I wanna make music my girl know the words to. Make the music we can change the world to. I wanna make music your girl know the words to. Make the music we can change the world to. Yeah. And I ain't wrote nothing down in a minute. It's kind of intimidating to put my thoughts on paper. And when I look back, I regret the fact that I thought them later. Pain is expected before fronting's not my nature. I hate the feeling I get when I conjure up old times. It's like finding old journals, emotions tied up in every line, every stanza, every crossed out word. Love letters written for bitches that didn't deserve. But now I'm singing a different tune. Another year, sunny like another June. The smell of success, I don't know another fume. I just wanna make make music your girl know the words to. Better yet, find a girl worth giving the world to. I think I found it, don't wanna jinx it. I think it's something beautiful, something extravagant. Curb my enthusiasm, emotion management. I remember when the times hit me, wishing that she wouldn't forget me. Times get hard, wanting me to visit Whitney. It's not a love song, but a like song, cause like is better. This is for the people that understand, and ain't long enough when you say forever. I say together, this is for you to open up when you hold it in. I'm focusing on this being in your earphones and you soak it in.